Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Let's learn with me. In the previous classes, we have completed control statements. Control statements are three types: conditional statements, looping statements, and jumping statements. So we already completed conditional statements explanation with programs and looping statements also. In this class, we write in a program for looping statements program. So looping statements are three types: for, while, do while. So we created a class looping. In this, the program execution starts from the main method. The public static void main string args function is in a main method. First, we write a comment line. Comment lines are ignored by a compiler. Program for loop. When we use a for loop, if you know how many times you want to print, in those cases we use a for loop. Syntax of the for loop: for initialization, condition, and increment or decrement. For here int I equals to 0. Suppose we want to print 1 to 10 numbers. So I equals to 1, then I less than I equals to 10, condition, then increment. So I plus plus, open curly brace. In this we write in a statement system dot out dot println. System dot out dot println. The I value is right click, run as Java application. It print the I value is 1 to 10. So first it takes 1, I value 1. 1 less than 10, the condition is true. So it print the I value is I 1. Then it increment the value by 1. I 1 plus 1 2. Then check the condition. 2 less than the condition is true. Until the condition becomes false, it executes the block of statements, right? Then 11 less than 10, condition is false. So it stops the execution. This is a for loop. The for loop is used when you know how many times you want to print. In those cases, we use a for loop. The next one is while loop. Program for while loop. Here, int j equals to 1 while condition j less than or equals to 6. So, system.out.println. Here, j, the j value is 10. It increment the value by 1, j plus plus semicolon. Right click, run as Java application. Here the j values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looping statement. Until the condition becomes false, it executes the block of code. So while here also same, it takes the j value as 1, check the condition is true, then it executes this statement. So it executes the block of code until the condition becomes false. The next one is while, do while. The difference between while and do while means, in the while, if the condition is true, then only it executes the block of code. Do while means, if the condition false, it executes the block of code for at least once, even if the condition becomes false. So first we write in a comment line for that, do while program, do while program. Here do while. First initialization. Int k equals to 1, do open curly brace, the k value is k plus plus. We check here we write in a while condition k less than or equals to 7. This is a do while. Here it checks the condition k value 1. 1 less than, it prints the 1 value, the k value is 1. Then it checks the condition 1 less than 7, condition is true. So it prints the numbers 1 to 7 values. Here the k value is 1 to 7. Suppose do while means even if the condition false, at least it prints the block of code once. Suppose here k value 41. 41 less than or equals to 7, condition false. But it executes the k value 1. That is the difference between while and do while. So right click run as Java application. Here the k value is 41. Here the condition false, but without checking the condition, it executes the block of code once. Then it checks the condition. After executing the block of code, it checks the condition. That is the difference between while and do while. While means even if the condition becomes false, then only it executes the block of code. Do while means even if the condition false, it executes the block of code for at least once. That is the difference between while and do while. The next topic is jumping statement. In the jumping statements, we have three types: break, continue, and return. So break means it stops the execution. Continue means it skips the variable and move to the next one. So we already discussed, we implement that topic in this program. Suppose in the I value we print 1 to 10 numbers. I want to print 4 values. Then it stops the execution. In those cases, I write a break statement. Here, if I value equals to 4, break. Here, whenever the I value becomes 4, it stops the execution, even if the condition is true. Suppose 5 less than 10, condition is true, but it stops the execution because we write a break statement. Right click, run as Java application. Here, the I value is 1, 2, 3, 4. After the 4, the block of code execution stops because we write in a break. Break means it stops the execution. Suppose instead of break we write in a continue, means it skips the current one and move to the next one. That means the 4 does not print. It prints 5 to 10. 1, 2, 3. It skips the 4 value, then it prints 1, 2, 3. Here, the I value. So continue. Here we write state. Here, right click, run as Java application. The I value is Java application 1, 2, 3. It skipped the 4 value and it brings 5 to 10. That is the difference between break and continue. If we write on a break, it stops the execution. If we write on a continue, it skips the current one and move to the next one. That is break and continue. So the next one is return. Return means the return statement is used to it exit the method and optionally it send a value to the method caller. So for return topic, we create another class. So right click, select new, select class. Here we give a class name. Suppose student. Yes, capital. So great. We create a student class. This is the next one is main method. Public static void main string args function. Yes, string is capital. Return method. Here we create int result equals to addition 3 comma 7. Yes, system.out.println print result value. Result the result value is public static 3 and 7 are the integers. So here we take int addition, int a comma int b. Int addition equals to a plus b. It returns the addition value. Return addition value here. And this is program. So return method means it exit the method and optionally send a value. It's callback method. Suppose here we create an addition method. So int a and b addition value. The program execution starts from the main method. This is a main method. Int result addition 3 and 7. It calls addition method. Here we have an int a and b. So here a value become 3 and b value 7. So int a plus b addition equals to a plus b, 3 plus 7, 10. So it returns the 10 value. It returns 10. It sends a value back to the caller method. Caller method means main method. So return 10. It goes to the main method. So result 10. The system.out.println it prints a result value 10. This is a return method. Right? So return method means it exits the method and it sends a value back to the caller method. Here it returns 10 value and it sends the value to a caller method. That is a return. I hope you understand this topic. So right click, run as Java application. The result value is 10. 3 plus 7, 10. This is a return method.